Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Signs and symptoms of alcohol intoxication. At 50 to 150 milligram percentage, there is stage of excitement. At 150 to 250 milligram percentage, there is stage of incoordination. At more than 250 milligram percentage, there is stage of coma. Alcohol gaze nystagmus and lateral gaze nystagmus are seen at blood alcohol concentration of around 80 milligrams percentage. MAC even sign is seen when blood alcohol concentration is more than 300 milligram percentage. This MAC even sign is elicited in coma to only to alcohol.
thank you and thank you for watching.